Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. You're not going to believe what we're able to do with these little frames from the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all for supporting me and my channel. There have been a lot of new subscribers lately, so I want to really welcome you. Thank you so much for entrusting your time to me. I really do appreciate it. So in a Dollar Tree haul, I shared with you these picture frames that I found, and they look like little houses. So I thought about an idea that I wanted to do with these, and that's what we're going to be doing today. But before we do, y'all, I'm wearing another WIN sweatshirt today. And if you don't know what the WIN campaign is, I have a link in the description box below. The 15% ends on Wednesday, September 27th. But through the month of October, you are still getting a 10% discount. So watch the video that's linked below and head on over to WIN to grab your breast cancer awareness WIN designed t-shirts, sweatshirts, and hoodies. And if you've already supported the campaign, thank you so much. So I am going to flip to my overhead camera so that I can give you a closer look at these, and then we're going to make something awesome. So here are those little wooden houses, y'all. I think that they are just so stinking cute, and they are designed to be picture frames, but of course we're not going to use them as picture frames. Generally very easy to remove that backer stand. So you can probably save these, and we can use these on something else. So that's what I've been doing. I've just been tossing them in a bin, and we're going to use them elsewhere. And then from the Dollar Tree, they sell these wooden blocks that are decorative home decor. And I bought this one that says fall is in the air. We're going to modify it slightly, and we'll be using it on this project. So we're going to go ahead and get started, y'all. I already have one completed, but I am not going to show it to you just yet because I want this to be a surprise. Now on the back, you can take the stickers off. I'm not going to take the stickers off right now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to use some paint to cover this. I'm not even going to remove the paper. My paint goes on very well. I'm going to make sure that I don't get any on my mat here. I could have put something down. When I did this before, it actually took me 2 coats to get the level of coverage that I wanted. And I'm using just a cheapo foam brush for this, and you can see how smoothly this goes on. I am using this particular paint. I bought it at Pop Shelf. It's $3 a tube, and a tube goes a long way. So all I'm doing is I'm painting this, and you can paint the top, the bottom, the sides, and the back if you want to. Now I'm not going to paint this entire thing with you because you get the gist of how to paint a piece of wood. I have already painted one and it's ready to go. So I'm just going to take this and move it out of the way, and we're going to work with this one. All right, y'all, so here's what we're going to do. I have these stickers, and I have used these stickers before. I showed them on the channel. I think it was last year, maybe in 2022, and I got them from Amazon. I will have them linked. I believe you get 8 sheets to a pack, and it might have been about $11. I can't remember because it's been a while, but basically it's just vinyl. It's like the vinyl we use on our Cricuts and silhouettes and things like that. So I am just going to take my letters and place them down. Sure, you can see where I'm going with this now. And I'm going to take this one. I'm going to take my house and line it up like that, because I do want to try to get these fairly close in placement. They won't be perfect, but they'll be fairly close. And then I'm going to take my Y and I'm going to place my Y right there. So you can see how easily those stickers went on, and you can see how cute that already looks without me doing anything else to it. But y'all know we're going to do something else to it because you've seen the black wooden block. So I'm going to bring that block back in, and I'm going to bring in my hot glue gun, and we're going to place this on the block. So I didn't even paint the back of mine. If you want to paint the back of yours, you can. This will probably sit on my mantle, so it will be facing the wall. When I place this down, I'm going to place it down so it's fairly even with the bottom here. Then I'm going to take the Y and we're going to place it down, and I'm going to try to make sure that this space is fairly even with that space. Seriously, y'all, how easy is this? Easy, inexpensive home decor using Dollar Tree pieces. I'm sure you've seen something like this in the store. And I'm going to take this piece, the O, and this time I'm going to put the glue on the front, because we're going to take it and put it right in between these two. And I'm going to turn it around and look at it. And I'm actually okay with that. So I'm going to flip that back over so that you can see it in my front facing camera. Isn't that just delightful? So simple. We can leave it just like this and place it on the mantle. But of course I'm going to do something extra to it. And we're going to move this for a minute. And I have some of this Dollar Tree garland. And I am just going to use my wire snips to cut two pieces. One slightly longer than the other one. So now I'm going to take these two and just wrap them around each other like this, so that I can get a little bit of a spray going. We're going to bring that joy back in, and I'm going to place some glue right there, and we're going to take this piece and put it in that glue. I'm going to hold it for just a minute, and while I'm doing this I'm just shaping it, but y'all can see we're not doing much, but every little bit that we are doing is making such a difference in changing the look of this. And then I had this little bow in my stash, and I thought it went beautifully with this. So I'm just going to add some glue. And y'all, I don't even know where I got this bow, but it's probably one of those things that I bought at an after Christmas sale, which is when I tend to do a lot of shopping for Christmas decor or Christmas goodies. And so there we have it, y'all. We're now able to take this and set it out on the mantle, tabletop, desktop, make some awesome home decor using picture frames from the Dollar Tree, one of the wooden blocks from the Dollar Tree, some greenery from the Dollar Tree, and I have no idea where this bow is from. I made one earlier, but I didn't want to show it to you because I wanted to make sure that it was just a surprise as it was coming together, so that you could see how easy it is to do this. And for those of you who might be doing craft fairs, this is a great idea for a craft fair seller. Find some decor pieces like this, put them all together, add some stickers, and turn them into something that anyone would be proud to set on their mantle. And if you do decide that you want to sell these, make sure that you paint the backs and the sides and everything, because you never know where the person who's purchasing it might decide to place it. So you want to make sure that the back is painted a solid color so that it's nice, clean, and crisp looking. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this fantastic video on what we can do with those Dollar Tree pieces: picture frames, wooden block, and some greenery. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.